In this video, I'm going to talk what software I installed in the Red HPC. The Red HPC is a Linux system. It is running on top of the CentOS 7 Linux. The cluster is managed by the Bright Computing 8.1 cluster management system. The job scheduler is Slurm. Slurm is a simple Linux utility for resources management. You can find the Slurm documentation in the following website. To use the Slurm, you can create a job schedule script, then submit your parallel job into HeadNote Red 1. There is a set of Slurm commands that you can use to monitor and manage your job. I will create some videos to show how to write Slurm script, submit job, and manage your jobs. Some basic software are needed to access Red HPC, such as a remote SSH client. We recommended use PuTTY in Windows environment. Also, WinSCP can be used to transfer files between server and your client. Certainly, you need have skill to use VI editor in Linux environment to edit your script. I may have a video to show how to use VI basic function. The software package installed in the system include C, C++, Java compilers. Several versions of Python are installed also. The application software such as MATLAB and ASYS are also installed. The system has several versions of OpenMPI, CUDA 80, CUDA 90, and TensorFlow. I will have another video to show how to install your TensorFlow package in your home directory. I may have several videos for how to use TensorFlow. For the software list, you may access Red HPC website at lamar.edu, art and science, computer science, high performance computing. The website is here. It looks like this. This is the main page. You can find the software package. Here has a list. Okay, I'm stopped at here. Thank you very much. See you next time.